Hey there, snack lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy snacking with some delicious and wholesome alternatives that won't ruin your calorie or sugar intake. First up, let's talk about fruits. There are so many delicious and nutritious options out there. From juicy watermelon to crunchy apples, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without going overboard on sugar. Next, let's talk about nuts. They're not only tasty but also packed with healthy fats, proteins, and fiber. Just make sure to enjoy them in moderation since they are high in calories. For those who love savory snacks, air-popped popcorn is an excellent choice. It's low in calories and high in fiber, making it a satisfying snack option for those who are watching their weight. Lastly, Greek yogurt is a great alternative to ice cream or other high-calorie desserts. It's high in protein and low in fat, making it a perfect choice for those trying to maintain their weight or build muscle. And if you want to add some crunch, try adding nuts or fruits for extra flavor and texture. So there you have it, folks. Healthy snacking doesn't have to be boring or bland. With these tasty and nutritious options, you can keep your calorie intake in check while still satisfying your cravings. Remember, the key to healthy eating is moderation and variety. So go ahead and explore these healthy snack options today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and tricks, for it helps us build this amazing channel to bring you information like this and more, like smoothies, healthy meals as well. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.